This is one more question given from compiler design in shift 2 for 1 mark. From our topic semantic analysis, SDT, syntax directed translations. Right. Which of the following statement is false? We need to identify the false statement. He has given 4 statements here regarding SDTs. Which of the following is false? Come to the first one. The first one is an attributed grammar is a syntax directed definition in which functions in the semantic rules have no side effects. What is a attribute grammar? Attribute grammar is a context free grammar in which evaluation of attribute information is available in the form of semantic rules. So, that is total structure is called as syntax directed definition SDT, in which the semantic rules, the functions in the semantic rules have no side effects. In order to avoid the side effects only, we are providing the semantic actions or semantic rules. Generally semantic rules are there for specific purpose, it will not produce any side effects. So, this statement clearly seems to be true. Semantic rules will define properly. So, generally we do not have any side effects for the semantic rules. Next one, all L attributed definitions based on LR1, that is bottom up parser. L attributed definition and bottom up parser can be evaluated using bottom up parsing strategy. So, all L attributed definitions in bottom up parsing means it is difficult, because what type of attributes L attributed means, whenever L attributed definition is there in which synthesized attribute, inherited attribute both are there. So, synthesized attribute, inherited attribute both are there, because B and D options are almost interconnected. So, let me explain this. After this B, immediately I will explain this D, so that it is easy for you. In L attributed definition, synthesized attributes, inherited attribute, both attributes are present. So, evaluation of synthesized attribute by bottom up parsing is easy, but whenever it comes to the inherited attribute, what is the inherited attribute? If we have a tree structure like this, the attribute value at a node is computed from parent. Synthesized attributes, this is inherited, getting the value from parent. We will get the problem with these type of attributes. Whenever we are evaluating inherited attribute in bottom up framework, the problem for inherited attribute arises. That is why all L attributed definition based on LR1 grammar can be evaluated using bottom up parsing step. All he is saying, so all L attributed is difficult. So, for this it is false. Now, let us see the directly D option. Synthesized attributes can be evaluated by bottom up parser as the input is parsed. What is synthesized attribute? Attribute value at a node is taken from children. Attribute value at a node is taken from children. It is a bottom up, bottom to top like this. So, synthesized attributes are best for bottom up parsing, inherited attributes are good for top down parsing. But whenever inherited attributes are there, if you want to evaluate by bottom up parsing, we need to so many modifications we need to do. So, all L attributed definitions directly on LR grammar is difficult here. So, B is false. Anyhow, we observed here D is true, the statement of D is true. Then the attributes in L attributed definition cannot always be evaluated in DFS, depth first order. See, whenever L attributes are there, that is L attributed means inherited attributes. Inherited attributes is the best way of evaluation of inherited attributes is DFS. So, the L attributed definitions can be evaluated by DFS order, but he is saying cannot always be evaluated. That is why this is also false. So, both the B and C are false statement here. This is a MSQ, so more than one option can be correct. The answer for this is B and C. This is a 1 mark question.